Hey everybody, my name is Ashley Rush, and I'm an independent creative memories advisor located in North Carolina. Look, no hiccups, woo woo! I finally got rid of those. It felt like they were happening forever, but now I am coming to you guys hiccup free. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about doing a super duper simple, no tools required scrapbooking layout. This is, so simple, and it's going to be one of your go-to layouts for all of your different picture taking opportunities. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be talking to you guys about the long-awaited virtual class options. All right, guys, I'll see you then. To complete this project, you will need a sheet of cardstock. You'll need a sheet of designer paper in which you like both sides of the paper. You'll need your tape runner, and then you could also use some of our variety map packs, embellishments, or stickers if you so desire. So guys, when I say that this is a super easy page, I mean it is a super easy page. Who remembers those Geico commercials that say, it's so easy a caveman can do it? Yeah, like we're at that level. This is so easy your toddler could do it. We are taking advantage of the fact that Creative Memories has dual-sided papers, and we want to give those papers a chance to shine. So in a previous video, I showed you guys how to make a vertical or horizontal fold in which you were revealing a big portion of that reverse side. Today, we're just going to give a simple fold of a corner. Doesn't matter which corner. Doesn't matter how much you fold it. Just kind of eyeball it. I like to bring, just a couple inches. I don't know how big that is. Let's see if I have a ruler. That is about 5 inches. So I'm bringing 5 inches in, not quite half. So you give just a little peek. And then once you have folded your corner in, then you can sort of decide which direction you want to go on and which sheet of cardstock you want to pair it with. So I made this fold without really paying attention to it. Now I'm noticing that my pattern is kind of going this way, so it's going to make the most sense for my paper to go in this orientation. Now, I could say to heck with the pattern and spin it in another direction. That's okay too. But just for me and my brain, this direction makes the most sense. Now you can pair your paper with a matching piece of cardstock. So this is deep sea green. I think that this is a little too green blue, so that's not going to work. Now here we have hot fudge, which, it does a lot. It brings out a lot of the brown hues here, so I like that. And then let's try it with navy. Navy doesn't look bad either. I think I like the brown best. So I'm going to go with the brown on this one. Now, I am using obviously a full sheet of the cardstock and a full sheet of paper. You could, because we are only exposing one corner of the cardstock, you could get away with trimming your cardstock into a 6x6 square, lining that up and adhering it to the back. This is about using no tools though. So I am being lazy. I'm going to use the whole sheet of brown, and I'm just giving little bits of tape onto the back of that designer sheet of paper. I'm lining up my page. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And I'm going to tack on a little piece there just to keep it down. But there we have the start of a beautiful page. Now we could bring in some variety map packs for places to journal. So perhaps up here, Or I can bring it down here. And then I've got a couple spots for photos here and there. Same is true. And then I found these in the embellishment pack. They mimic, you know, this is obviously the same here, but I thought that they could be cute together. Maybe decorating this corner. I'm just sort of playing around with this arrangement. Maybe even just right there. I don't know. So we've got some areas to play with. I've got spots for photos. I know I said no tools, but I'm gonna just bring out my trimmer and create some 4x6 photos to give us an idea. So we've got some photos we can put here, maybe even there. Then we've got our journaling box can come up here. I'm liking how that is looking. And then you've got a place for a title down this way, or you've got places for a border sticker. Let's see what that would look like, a border sticker. Got a couple of different options. I think this really chunky mountain scene would be kind of fun down there, and then the picture here can overlap on top of it. Yeah, let's do that. Guys, I had zero plans when I started this page. I was like, yeah, I'll use this paper and then we'll just figure it out. So that's what happens when you don't make plans. Clearly, I need to come a little further. Okay. What do you guys think of that layout? I still haven't quite figured out what's going on here. I need like something to make it pop off of that background. Or I could use just another embellishment. Or I can kind of create a scene behind here. How do we feel about maybe having like some trees popping up from beneath? I don't know if I have a lot of trees. Again, guys, I did not make a plan. This is all happening on the fly. Oopsies. But what if... That's kind of fun. Could cut that here. Wonder if go a little more this way. What do you guys think about that one? That's kind of fun. I like that we're using that corner as a peekaboo. We're still getting some embellishments. I think I still want to find like one more tree or something to fill that space. I've got just some greenery or some needlework. Yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, it needs a little something, I think, to fill this brown space, but otherwise, like, really cute. Let me go ahead and put down, remember, this is acting as a photo. Got a photo here. Put a photo here. And then we've got a place to journal here. I really like it. I love this pop of color coming from behind. I just need to find the one sticker to fill that empty space. I love the placing of the border down here, kind of bringing the attention all the way down the page. Now, I did do this in a couple of different other layouts. So here I used the Serene Waters collection. And I did the same placement of the corner in the top. I hadn't filled in yet with anything. That was something that just came to me for this one, so I can go back behind. Despite there being a journal box here, this is intended to be a photo mat like that. So you would actually put 2 different photos here, which I thought would be really fun. And then I used a variety mat pack slide-in card at the top for sort of a journaling title piece. This one is with the Staycation collection. I flipped it to the other side, used a navy background. Here I just used 1 slide-in card at the top for my title and my journaling, and then there's space for 3 photos down at the bottom. Again, I've got this space here where I could put a cluster either tucked in underneath of the fold or even overlapping over top. So was that easy or was that easy? Like, I don't even think that it took me 5 minutes to put a page together. So I really, really love how the Leave Nothing Behind page came out. I love having those stickers and embellishments popping out from behind the folds. It's definitely a favorite. I'm gonna have to find a way to incorporate that technique in the other pages I did. This one, I like the colors, and in my head I was super excited when I started doing it, but I think because I haven't embellished it yet, it's just not my fave. But you know, it can be there. I like how I left some space here as opposed to at the bottom, so I think a border sticker across the middle would be really fun. And then again, maybe doing like a whole cluster of embellishments over here with some of the Staycation embellishments. I think that would be really cool. This one I was so excited about. Like, in my head I was like, it's gonna be the best. But I think where I'm like getting held up is the color that's peeking back behind. I tried this with navy. I tried it with deep sea green. I believe this is aqua that I ended up with, and none of them are quite right. And maybe that's where my holdup is coming from. Maybe I should try an orange back there. We'll see. We'll see. So as I mentioned, like, I'm using a full sheet of cardstock on these. You could definitely get away with just cutting out a square and adhering that to the back so that you can save. But the kind of the neat thing is, because I've used a full sheet, you could flip these over. You could do something on this side and then put it in one of our slide-in pages, and you're getting to use both sides, so there is no waste. All right. So you guys have been waiting very, very patiently. I want to talk to you guys about my virtual event schedule. I have 2 that are on the books right now. I am letting my VIPs sign up for them first, and then I will be making an announcement in the community section of my YouTube page telling you guys that you can go ahead and register. But I am doing a secret box crop with my team. The next secret box, I believe, is launching next week on the 15th-ish. And then my team will be doing a crop with its contents on September 9th. So make sure you guys save that date, September 9th. It's a free crop, but you do have to purchase the box from me or one of my teammates in order to get invited to the crop. So I'll be releasing more information about that as we get it, because the boxes aren't even out yet. So we're doing a lot of like crossing our fingers and just hoping this works. We're gonna have to create things for you guys in lickety-split, no time flat. So hopefully this works. I mean, we've got some creative juggernauts on my team, so I'm sure it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And then on the end of September, September 30th, I'll be doing a Fruity Delights page class. You'll be using the exclusive Fruity Delights paper pack and sticker sheet. You can only get these as an advisor, so I'll be using those products, and you'll create 3 different one-page spreads, and we use like every inch of paper, just about. I mean, I think these are some of my scraps. This is like what you have left over at the end. This is it. So we use a lot of the paper, and the pictures, the pages turn out so stinking cute. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. And then I have not set a date yet for this yet, but I'll also be doing a virtual Croptoberfest in October. I'm working out the price of that or how that's going to work. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. All right, as always, I would really encourage you guys to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. That is where I am posting daily. It's the best place for you to reach out to me for one-on-one communication. And then if you're interested in attending any of my events, make sure you check out my Square website so that you can see all that information and get registered. And if you see anything in this video that you love and just have to have, please check out my Creative Memories website. And if you love all things Creative Memories, let's talk about having you join my team. I'm really focusing on growth this year, and I would love to have you grow alongside me. All right, guys, that is it for me this week. I will see you all again next week. Bye.